2014 to 2020 Nissan Rogue front brakes replacement. Let's start by compressing our caliper using a screwdriver. There it is. Make sure you save your old parts, by the way. They don't come, they only come with the rotors and the pads, that's all. So let's remove our caliper bolt. It is a 14 millimeter. Let's remove our caliper bracket. It is a 21 millimeter. No, it's 19. I take that back. It's a 19 millimeter. And use the old brake pad. By the way, guys, you can use regular hand tools to do this. You don't need all those air guns or electric. You can use regular ratchet or wrench to do this job. Now we're gonna use a hammer to remove the rotor from the hub. Let's clean our hub using a wire brush like this, or I'm gonna use the cookie wheel to do this. And let's clean our caliper hardware. And like I said, they don't come with new ones, so I had to reuse them. So we need to clean them. So we're going to re-grease our pins. Make sure they move freely. These are our new parts. Other parts like are in the comment section below and the tools used. I put that bolt in place to hold the rotor flush with the hub so it doesn't move while I'm putting the caliper on. You can use one bolt, doesn't matter. Everything's back in. For this part here, there is a spring here. The spring they need to go in before the brake pad itself. Alright, you'll see it. I'm going to push it in and put the brake pad. What it does, it is an anti-drag clip. It moves that it help the brake pad move away from the rotor after using the brakes. So you need to make sure that it goes before the brake pads. Don't forget to pump your brake pedal, by the way, before test drive. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.